Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump a button on the application of Discord. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Discord app. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Discord. Then you can uninstall your app here and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your